Hi guys, in this video, I will be showing you what school is like after a break for an 11th grade student. I could barely hear myself in this clip, but in summary, I get to school at 6 a.m. and I usually wait for the gates to open. First thing in the morning, I drink coffee and talk with my friends.
It's like really early in the morning. And I want to sleep again. Tapos,
I didn't study at all.
marunong ka na.
But then I passed. I got 48 out of 60.
My plan for today is to record the whole day, I guess. Like, you know, we've just come back. And I'm like still processing things right now. And for sure, the schedule's not like really fixed. What?
You're so dramatic.
I'm not dramatic.
Starts ringing out the neighborhood. Really, I'm fine. Never been better. Got no job on my mind. Sincerely, don't worry. Same old boy that you hoped you'd find.
For the semester, we're going to play volleyball. I don't know how I should have the confidence to record in public with my campus. We just finished it's recess time because we have during PE we have like 2 hours, not really 2 hours, but like 2 periods for PE, and the next is recess. I'm not sure how long, but 20, 35, and then we go on to the next. Okay, so the next subject is ICT. So what we do here for this period, I guess, is we work on Google Sheets and stuff, learn the formulas. And then yeah, so now we're on the way to the ICT lab because we have computers for that.
What's good, guys?
Where are we going? We're going to CSA.
Nobody sings. See the inside of it. Preoccupied. Nobody's hiding it. Preoccupied. Nobody's hiding it.
We're done with ICT, so we're going back to what's our next subject? Ross? We have reading and writing next. Hi sir. Happy New Year. We're going back to the classroom. We're gonna do reading and writing. I think we're gonna work on our college essays already.
Open your mind. Fill it with bullshit. Locked up your heart.
Our own personal. Because it might offend or like might cause conflicts within other communities.
Must be a sign.
Lunchtime, and I'm just reheating food. to the SAC office. I'm about to have a meeting for jubilation, and I'm really hungry because I didn't eat during recess. Because usually after PE we still play for a while, and that takes up all the time for recess. The meeting just ended. It was a long meeting. Things processing. I was eating secretly in the library. The next subject is it's the last period for the day. I'm so tired. Love bachelor because it was very easy. I understood everything.
I'm not racist.
I have a question for you. Would you consider yourself a racist?
Depends.
That's crazy. What are you gonna do to her?
This is my homie Yunjin. He's playing block blast. He's playing block blast. It's recording! Oh my god!
Nigel!
I didn't even know. It's okay, at least now we don't know what to do.
Must be another one.